Hello friends, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today we will learn a new stitch called raised cup stitch. It will look exactly like a cup. For this stitch we will put 3 dots in a triangle like this, and I am using a blunt needle so that it will be easier to pull through. Bring the needle out from the first point, go back through the second point. We will get one side of the triangle and again come out through the third point and go back through the first point. Now the second line is completed in the triangle. Now come out through the second point and go back through the third point. Now our triangle is completed. Now we shall bring the needle inside the triangle at one corner. Put the needle below the first stitch. Thread above the needle first and then below the needle and pull over. Once again the same stitch in the same side. Thread above the needle and then below. Pull over. We have finished 2 stitches in one side and go to the next side. Again same stitch, thread above at first and then below, pull over. Again here also we should put 2 stitches in this side, thread above at first and then below, pull over. We have finished 2 stitches on the second side. And on the third side we should put 2 stitches. Insert the needle, thread above at first and then below, pull over. Once again same stitch in the third side. Insert the needle, thread above and then below, pull over. Now we have finished one round in all the 3 stitches. Totally there were 6 stitches. And coming to the second round, you can see a small bridge in between the 2 stitches. Insert the needle inside the bridge. Again thread above at first and then below, pull over. Tighten it and coming to the next bridge, insert the needle in the bridge. Thread above the needle at first and then below, pull over. Same way we should put 1 stitch in each bridge, and so in the second round also we will be getting 6 stitches. See here, coming to the next side, insert the needle below the bridge, thread above the needle and then below, pull over, and again in the next bridge insert the needle, thread above the needle at first and then below, pull over. We have finished the second round, so you can go back at the same point where you started the stitch. Go back and you can finish it. See here, the stitch exactly looks like a cup. You can use this in your patterns for small flowers and in other circles. And this is the back view of the stitch. I hope you understood the stitch clearly. If you have any doubts, please comment. If you like this video, share with your friends. For my previous videos, click on the links given in the description. To learn more embroidery stitches, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.